Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add members to a project in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into a project. And inside the project, in the top right corner, there is a person icon with a plus sign next to it. If we tap on this, then we can add members to the project by name or by email. It depends on whether we have this person that we want to add in our workspace already, or if we want to just add them by email. And yeah, after we have entered their name or email, we can just tap on next, and they're going to be added to the project. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.